Event handlers with JQuery. Have you ever wondered how websites respond to your clicks and keystrokes? That magic happens through something called event handlers. Today, we will look at event handlers using JQuery, a popular JavaScript library that simplifies web development. In JQuery, event handlers are functions that react to user actions or events on HTML elements. This means when you click a button or move your mouse, JQuery can trigger specific actions. For instance, if you want a button to show a message when clicked, JQuery makes that easy. JQuery offers shorthand methods for common events. You can use click to execute a function when an element is clicked. There are also 4 double clicks, mouse enter and mouse leave, 4 mouse movements and blur, 4 from elements. These methods allow you to define what happens when specific events occur. The real power of JQuery lies in its on method. This method can bind one or multiple events to elements and even handle custom events. For example, if you want to track when a user clicks on multiple buttons, on can manage that efficiently. This is especially useful in event-driven architecture, where multiple events need to be handled seamlessly. Some typical JQuery event handlers include mouse up, which respond to mouse button actions. The method combines mouse enter and mouse leave, allowing you to define actions for both entering and leaving an element. These event handlers are not just for show. They can dynamically change the content of a page, validate user input, or create interactive interfaces. Imagine filling out a form and clicking a submit button. A JQuery event handler can check the data and send it to the server without reloading the page. This creates a smooth user experience. From a broader perspective, JQuery event handlers representing an important step in the evolution of event-driven architecture in web development. They allow developers to separate user actions from the underlying logic, making code easier to manage and maintain. Even though newer frameworks have emerged, JQuery's event handling model remains relevant. It demonstrates how to manage asynchronous events and user interactions effectively. In practice, JQuery event handlers improve the user experience by responding quickly to actions. They support dynamic updates and enable complex workflows on the client side. This capability is essential for modern web applications that relying on event-driven designs to handle multiple inputs and states simultaneously. Overall, JQuery event handlers are powerful tools for managing events in web applications. They provide a straightforward way to implement event-driven behavior, making web development more efficient and user-friendly.